Okay guys, so last one for tonight, I promise. Um, Now we had those from the three previous videos, now we have all that set up, the logging and the directory structure for custom drivers, or community written drivers. I thought I would actually try and load one up. A little bit more fun than the last one, so thanks to RTR for writing this one for us. Yeah, so away we go, I guess. So I downloaded um, the driver from the GitHub area here. I'll put that in the description. There's a zip file that comes along with it, and I have just put it into my documents area, unzipped it and taken the driver file and put it there. In terminal, I have browsed to that folder, and then I just simply run this. I won't run it again because I already have, but I just ran that and it copied the files to the driver directory, user driver directory. So one thing I did notice though is sometimes when I fire up the sphere, I lose the .local ability, I guess. I can get to it just from NinjaSphere itself without the .local, but anyway. Yeah, so I ran that. It copied the files in. Then you SSH to the sphere again. See if it does the local for me this time. Oops. Also, RTR says here, check the IP of your bridge. So what you do there is you look at your Limitless LED or MeLight app. I'm using MeLight. I think they're pretty similar, but when I open the app, it actually gives me the MAC address of the bridge. I then looked into my router, found that MAC address, happens to be that one, and found the IP address. So I actually didn't realize, but you can actually log into the bridge as well. The default is just admin and logs you in, and you can update firmware on the bridge itself. But I digress. Yeah, see, it didn't find the local. From the last video, I mentioned that the file system is read-only. Where these drivers get installed is writable, so you don't have to run the read-write bash there. So I'll just go to that directory. And then you'll see the melights.xml file there. Probably don't need to sudo this one, but just to make sure. And you'll see I changed the IP address here for my bridge, and saved that file. Then RTR mentions you start the actual driver itself. I think mine's probably already started, but see what it does. Yeah, so they're flashing again, so that's it's obviously started it up. So looking at my phone in the app, yeah, I can see a new thing there. I can add the zone. So I've only got one zone at the moment, but that seems to work. Alright, thanks guys.